Welcome back to our another video. So today we're going to play rivals, but everything is going to be random. The maps random, and even the weapons are going to be random. So let's get into a party and let's play some 3v3s. Let me just invite.
Hi, I'm Shabir, and I want to share my last video. And let's look. Yeah, did you come to
I actually didn't post it. I will post it today. Okay.
Yeah,
Did you know we hit 80 subscribers? So go smash the like and subscribe button so we can get more subscribers.
guys, wait a second. I'm just inviting all of them, and after the time we can start the match. Let's go to 5v5, right?
No, not 5v5, 3v3.
There are not some 5v5, right?
Everyone is going to press random. I'll just write it in the chat.
Let's say,
Oh shit, we have to write it fast. We have to write it fast. They're not in the call, so that's the thing. Can you speak a little louder, please?
Yes, Sasha. Just start on the random. Let's random every. Yeah.
Everyone will choose random.
Let's go.
Don't forget to write in map and also what do you call it? I forgot. And in weapons. Oh my god. You feel it.
Yes,
You also have to choose random in weapons.
yes, I know that.
Guys, you know we hit 100 views in our last video. So all of you, thank you for the support and please watch our new videos too that we are posting.
Yeah.
Let's take big arena. No, random. I forgot. Random. Okay. We have to choose random in weapons too. This is going to be hard. I got the sniper. No way. I can't see it. I can't see it because my camera's in my way. I got the spray. I got the riot shield and the flashbang. W loadout. W. Everybody here, I think, will be blinded. No way. They're all auto users. Nice. I got blinded. No way, bro. Their RPG spam. It's okay. Wait a second. What? Yeah. Let's go. Hit 150. Hit marker. Got one. Let's go. Easy round. W.
Three of them.
No way. W. Let's take random. I got RPG. Let's go. This is the best map for spammer. This is the best thing for spammers. I even got them all. Let me just. No way. All of them are RPG spammers. Noobs. Oh my god. No way. Felix died. Oh no. I died. Bro, why? Oh, W Shadow. Bro, no way to actually kill them with the bow. No way. No. Let's go. W. W for that. I got the crossbow. W weapon spray, right shield, and the warhorn. Did you know the sniper got hurt really bad? Crossbow is the last resort. So I have to use this only. Shit. I thought I would hit that new scope because with because Kill this PC level 1 noob. Oh no, all of them are killed. It's a 5v4. Damn. The crossbow is genuinely OP. What?
Yes.
W. I can dash. No, I can't dash before I use my shots. I got the gun blade. It's okay. W weapon. I got the flare gun. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just got knife. It's a no way, it's a 4v1.
I am again. Because I sold myself.
Oh my god, W. So guys, I did introduce you to the members of our clan. There's four RC flames and there's four RC genesis. Shoot! W is in the chat.
Shadow.
You know what? Let me move my camera up here. Yeah, that's better. No, I couldn't change my weapons. No. Wait, why can't I move? Oh, I can. Let me log. Yeah. We won already. Let's go 5-0. Yeah, that was pretty easy. I got to practice on the crossbow because the sniper is not really good now. It got bro because it got you know what, it got nerfed a lot. Like you have to shoot it directly on his head. Then before you could shoot him here, like a few centimeters away from the head, and it was counted as a headshot. Now it's not. So that's the bad thing. Oh my god, no way. How wide I have my weapons. I got a new wrap for the Burst Rifle Candy Apple. It's pretty good. If I'm gonna use Bright. It's a very good wrap. Guys, our summer vacations are about to. Our summer vacations are coming, so we'll upload every day. So don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the videos every day.
Spam W's in the chat.
Yeah, W's in the chat. No way, they're also choosing random. Shooting range, no, again. Last time we played on this, we lost. But this time we locked in. Who got the sniper? Who got the sniper?
I got it. Me too. W.
You know what? I'll freeze. And then I'll do the gunblade start. You know what? Revolver. Revolver is one of the best. You know what? Boom. Boom sakalaka. I'm going to kill someone. No, I got. No way, we're losing already. No, lock in Shadow, please. And Felix, lock in. Both of you got the RPGW. Shoot that green bean down. So, no. It's okay. Last time we got shooting range on our first video, we lost. But it's okay. We're gonna lock in. And we're going to win. I got the crossbow. Let's go. I'm gonna throw it over. Not right here. Yeah. Let's go. My aim is insane. Now take this out. Spam. No way. I just died.
Okay.
W Genesis. W Genesis. Oh my god, bro, no scoping him. No, lock in flames. Lock in flames. It's a 1v2. Nah, he 3 HP. He couldn't do anything like that. I just hope I get assault. I just hope I get assault rifle and other stuff, bro. I got the bow chain, so I. No way. Okay, you got the sortie freeze method. Let's go. Let's go. No way. I just did that. Let's go. Let's go. I hit one. I hit one. I got the bow. I got the bow for some reason. No, I died. I died. He was spamming shotgun. Like shotgun spammers and RPG spammers are just too hard to beat. Bro, kill in flames. Ah, it's a 3v1. You can do this. W Felix. W Felix. W's in the. I got the burst rifle spray. Flash. Oh, don't look at the. Don't die, please. We gotta lock in this fight. I got spray katana. Bro, why did you die? I got the burst, so I have to spam burst. Like burst. You know what? I'm gonna crash out for real, bro. At this time, I'm genuinely gonna crash out. It's a 3v2. Please lock in. Shadow, you have to lock in. You have the shotgun. Spam it. They finally got a complete loadout. Insane. W Shadow and Flames.
Bro, I also killed one of them.
Yeah, W Felix. No.
W Shadow.
No, Shadow. No, it's a 1v2.
You can do it, Shadow.
Believe in yourself.
Okay.
No, we lost. Kill at least one. No, we lost. Nah, it's okay. Nah, for real, bro, for real. Okay, you know what? We have to lock in this time.
Yeah, for real. Shadow every time. Like,
I got my hat on. You know, I'm doing the guys. I'm doing the gunblade start. So no way. I just kicked somebody out of the match, out of the shooting range. W. He got scared from my gunblade. No way. Did somebody die right now? Short team. Yeah. Wait a second. No. W gunblade start.
One
One left. My grandma's actually calling me right now, but it's okay. No way, bro, this auto guy. Bro, is auto killing fast. No, he's auto, yeah, he's on controller. Kill him fast, yeah, he has the wicket. Oh my god, no, we're dead. Let's W. No, bro, really jumped off the mat. W for real. W for real. Yeah, you have order for real now. Take this. Okay. What? This guy just Just no shell tortoises is insane with the knife. The W flames the. Where's Shadow? Oh, Shadow's there. Shadow, you have all the weapons, right, Shadow?
Kinda.
You just don't have the, what do you call it? Shadow, what do you don't? Shadow, what's the weapon that you don't have? Bro, camp, everybody camp. You can win this game. Oh, it's only 40, right?
Yeah. It's one of the and that. But then
Oh, Felix, why you die, Felix?
that's what I
No, bro.
the map.
Oh, he's going to medkit, so go after him. Oh, Flame's not in the call. Oh, he's going to camp. He's gonna win. Hit. Oh no, let's go. W. Where was he? I don't know, bro. I got the assault rifle, and all of you are now cooked. Let's go.
I'm going to the meeting.
And I even got the face. I got the face. I got the face.
Hello.
I got the face. Oh my god. Wait,
Hello.
why this guy lagging so much?
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. What?
Be in the video. Be in the video.
What? Who's in the video? Who joined?
Hawkeye is there. Hawkeye.
Hawkeye. Oh, you mean okay, yeah, I get it. He's in the call.
Yeah.
Okay, W Hawkeye. Yo. Shadow, right? Shadow. I'm just gonna come in 1 sec. 1 sec, please. So guys, okay. So guys, I'm back. Oh, I forgot Shadow had the money gun skin. And even the ice mall. Yeah, camp, please camp. Camp! W is in the chat, everyone. This rubber ducky guy is genuinely rage baiting. He's crashing now. I got the RPG, yeah.
Not even one.
You didn't get the sniper? Yeah, me neither. It's sad. But the sniper got hurt. No, crossbow, better. I'm just gonna camp like this. I'm actually lagging a lot, guys. So, look, I'm lagging so. What? Cat, did I die yet because I'm lagging? Did I die?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I died, but it shows me that I'm still playing. Damn, I found a hack. Oh, I died. Sudden death? No way. We got a lock in. Oh, I couldn't change it. One of them died. The best player died. W. Okay, I got one. Almost. Okay. Almost got one. W Felix. He backed me up. Let me just bounce and yeah, I'm just going to fly all over the map. It's just fun doing. Let's go. I know. Rubber ducky. You killed the rubber duck.
I got the most kills.
You got the most kills, W. I think I got I think I got fourth place or something. Bro, the bow is genuinely insane. It does, bro. Bro, let me see the bows cross. You know, the bows hit is pretty good. What?
Let's go every night.
Yeah, guys, let's switch. No, but Felix doesn't have the knife. The
That's what I'm
Felix.
talking about.
So we, guys, yeah, guys, we're doing random because we don't have the Felix doesn't have the knife. He's a new player, as I told you before.
But I can buy it.
No, don't buy. Please don't buy. Save up till the snipers.
Okay, sniper is kind of loud, so you can buy it. Okay.
But it's pretty good still. You can if you lock in,
Yeah.
actually pretty good. Random. Everybody random. Okay, we got a good map. It's a good map.
Yeah.
I got gun. Okay, I got W loadout. W loadout. It's W load.
Sniper, you sound and random.
W. I also got the sight. I'm going to do the gunblade stat again. Guys, don't mind. It's the gunblade stat. They auto. I can double dash. Bro, why we taking so much time? They why? Oh my god, they play so bad. Mustard. Okay, random. No way, I just got the burst rifle. Wait, what's happening? I'm lagging. No, I'm not. I fixed it. Who else? Who else got the burst rifle? I got it. I eliminated one. One gone. Bro, you can't kill that guy. It's so easy. I'm spamming him. He's almost dead. Yeah, I killed him. Let's go. This time my damage is a little more, I think. No, I'm what? You got the gunblade? Felix, you got the gunblade. Wait, I couldn't change my loadout. You know? Let's go. I hit one. I needed someone. It's a two. No way. You got a bet. No. It's a 1v2. Oh my god. And you're 13 HP. It's okay. We can. You know some bet. Bet. Bro, my switch weapons isn't working. My switch weapons isn't working, guys. Oh, it is. No way, I just got the best loadout in the world.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, I'm lagging again! When I get to good loadout. Am I dead? Am I dead? I was lagging a bit. I'm alive. I'm dead. Oh no, we're losing. Just because of me, bro. Bro, just because of my stupid network. Did the match start because I'm lagging a lot?
Okay.
No, I'm lagging a lot.
Okay.
What should I do? Somebody, guys, I'm lagging. Lagging. Guys, should we leave? I'm lagging a lot.
Bro, I got 6 kills wrong.
No, bro, I have to leave. I left. I left. Can you join me? No, there's a problem. There's a problem. No, I think it's working again. I'm lagging for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, now I can see. Oh my god, it's not working, bro. Why? You know, I'll end the video. Should I end the video right here? Because I'm lagging and I can't. Should I? Should I end the video? I should. Bro, can't you speak properly? Say, tell me. Should I leave? Because I'm lagging and my network isn't working. I'm lagging a lot. Yeah, so let's end the video. Bye everyone. Wow.